In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off blended data in Looker Studio. If you've ever combined multiple data sources to create a single chart or table, that's blending. It's powerful, but there are times you'll want to turn it off, maybe to troubleshoot mismatched fields, improve performance, or return a chart to a single cleaner source. I'll walk you through the exact clicks with tips to keep your report intact. Start by opening Looker Studio in your browser and heading to your report's homepage. From there, open the report where the blended data exists. If you're not sure which report it is, look for the one containing the chart or table that was previously combined from more than one source. Once the report is open, switch into editing mode. You'll see an edit button near the top. Click that so you can make changes. Viewing mode won't allow you to modify blends, so edit is essential here. With the report in edit mode, go to the top toolbar and click Blend. This opens the area where your blends are managed. Think of it as the control center for any data combinations used across your report. If you have multiple blends, you'll see them listed, often named after the sources or the chart they support. Now, choose the specific blend you want to disable. Select it carefully, especially if several charts rely on similar blends. When you've highlighted the correct one, click Remove. This action tells Looker Studio you no longer want that blend available for the report. A quick tip: if you're unsure whether a chart depends on this blend, consider noting the chart first or using undo after removal if something breaks unexpectedly. You'll then be prompted to confirm the change. Click Remove Blend to finalize. This confirmation step helps prevent accidental deletions. After removal, any chart or table using that blend may either revert to a single source if it had one configured, or it may show an error prompting you to pick a new data source. That's normal. Just select the appropriate single data source in the chart's data panel to proceed. To recap, you opened Looker Studio, accessed your report, switched to Edit, used the Blend option on the top toolbar, selected the blend, clicked Remove, and confirmed by choosing Remove Blend. That's all it takes to turn off blended data. If you change your mind, use Undo right away or recreate a new blend later. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your reports clean, fast, and easy to maintain.